Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. The 14-day trial gives you access to all the powerful features Photoshop offers. To get started, click the link in the description below. It will take you directly to Adobe's page where you can start your free trial. Once you're on Adobe's site, click Start Free Trial to unlock the 14-day trial of the All Apps plan. This includes Photoshop along with other Adobe apps, so you'll have everything you need for photo editing, graphic design, and more. Adobe will ask you to select your preferred payment plan. Choose the monthly plan if you want the freedom to cancel at any time before the trial ends. It's all about your convenience and control. If you know you'll be using Photoshop long term, the yearly plan is a smart choice because it offers a better monthly rate. It's a cost-effective decision for your creative journey. You'll also need to log in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe will require a payment method to begin the trial, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14 days are up. Be sure to set a reminder to cancel if you don't want to continue. After you sign up, Adobe will walk you through the process of downloading the Creative Cloud app. Once it's installed, you can access Photoshop and all the other creative apps directly from there. That's it. You now have 14 full days to explore everything Photoshop has to offer and decide if it's the right tool for your creative projects. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Comtechpedia for more software tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with Adobe Photoshop.